Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unfog with Dr. Atahar Parveen. In the school education website, CSL has now published the syllabus with reference books for recruitment of PSTR, GPSTR and HSTR. Also for other groups also they have published, but because our audience is only basically from PSTR, GPSTR and HSTR, we will show you the reference books here. Actually, when I went through the paper 1 syllabus files for GPSTR and HSTR, I found that they are giving same reference books for both GPSTR and HSTR. So that's why here I will discuss the GPSTR reference books. So that is same thing is there for HSTR also. So I will not make separate video for paper 1 for HSTR. So this video is helpful to GPSTR aspirants and HSTR aspirants also. But still, if you want to download the syllabus with the reference books, you can download it from this CSL website. You have the link in our Telegram channel. Now here only one thing will be different for HSTR, because the HSTR syllabus has a general mental aptitude in paper 1. GPSTR aspirants don't have that in the syllabus. So that mental aptitude test reference books I will tell in the end of the class, which will be useful only for HSTR aspirants, not for GPSTR aspirants. Okay. So here you can see that for GPSTR paper 1, they have started with the GK. First they have given syllabus. Of course, they have not changed the syllabus. Same syllabus only they have posted again. But now they have added reference book in that. So for GK, for GPSTR paper 1, they are telling the reference books you can use are Millennium GK, GK HRK Sapna publication and Fast Track Objective Arithmetic. Then for current affairs, they are telling management and aptitude, it seems. That reference books you have to use, and Spardha Kali, NTSC and NMMS study material they are telling, and Fast Track Objective Arithmetic. So I think Spardha Kali, NTSC and NMMS study material is available online. So basically this is the website of Department of State Educational Research and Training, NTSC. Here you can get the free resources, Spardha Kali, NTSC. All the years are also there. You can download the resources freely here from this website. And this NMMS also is there in the Department of State Educational Research and Training website, DSERT. Here you have the study materials. Same only are there here also. But then maybe because some NMMS are different resources here, so that's why they have mentioned both. If you want the link of these two websites, I'll put in the Telegram channel. You can go through and you can download whatever resources you want. So this is Samanya Kannada Pathya Suchi. This is for General Kannada. Here also they have given the references. You can go through it. Then for General English syllabus also they have given reference books. Basically they are telling to go through the NCERT and Karnataka Textbook Society textbooks from class 1 to 12. Then they are giving some books of the authors like Structural Drills by A.J. Thompson and Martinet. Dictionary and thesaurus they are telling from Cambridge and Oxford. Then Grammar and Composition, Wren and Martin. Then English Grammar, Raymond Murphy. Then Contemporary English Grammar. The earlier one was Essential English Grammar. Now they are telling about Contemporary English Grammar. It is G.D. Murthy. Then Cambridge English Pronouncing Dictionary, Daniel Jones. Oxford English Grammar Course, they are telling the author is Michael Swan, Catherine Walter. English Vocabulary in Use, it is Stuart Redman. And Practical English Grammar Exercises Series and Practical English Usage, the authors are A.J. Thompson and A. Martinet. So these are the reference books suggested for General English. Then they are talking about Educational Psychology. So Educational Psychology reference books what they have given are Dr. H.V. Vamdevappa, the famous Shaikshanika Manovigyana book. Then they have given Shikshanadalli Manovigyana, Harbert Sorensen. It is actually Kannada translation by the Institute of Kannada Studies, University of Mysore. It seems it is there they are telling. So I don't know if it is present online. If it is there, please write in the comment section. We will post it in the Telegram channel also. Then Shikshanada Manovigyana A.V. Govindarao, Shaikshanika Manovigyana R. Obalesha Ghatti, Shaikshanika Manovigyana N.R. Gangadharappa, Shaikshanika Manovigyana H.V. Shivashankara and P. Basakumar, Shaikshanika Manovigyana Bhaga 1 and Bhaga 2, H.S. Ishwara and P. Nataraja. Then Educational Psychology books by Anita Woolfolk, John W. Santrock and S.K. Mangal. So these are the list of the books they are giving you to prepare for educational psychology. Of course, many more they have given. Advanced Educational Psychology by S.K. Mangal is there. Then R.P. Pathak is there. Then even Hans Raj Bhatia, it seems, Google Books. So this is a free resource, I think. Then J.C. Agarwal, B.D. Ghate, S.S. Chauhan, Bhatia and Safia, and T.V. Somashekar. So many educational psychology books, authors' names they are giving. So that you must be knowing from B.Ed only, right? So that whichever you are comfortable with, you can use that. Then syllabus for computer literacy. More or less it is same like the old one, but many things are added here. Like they have added artificial intelligence part now. So this was not there in the old syllabus, right? Then for this reference books they have not given. Then Arogya Shikshana, health education, for this they have given reference books. DSRT syllabus they are telling, and Indian Association of Occupational Health. Then BKS Iyengar and DSRT text syllabus they are telling for physical education textbooks 6th to 10th standard. So this also you will get freely only in that website of DSCRT. Then you have Maulya Shikshana, value education. For this also they are giving DSCRT text syllabus and Sadhana Patha training literature. This also is DSCRT. So all these are freely available sources. Now quickly let me show you this HSTR General Mental Aptitude syllabus. See, same syllabus is there which was uploaded recently, but now they have added the reference books. So you can see here, this is not useful for GPSTR. I am telling you again. This is valid only for HSTR aspirants because mental aptitude part they have not put in the syllabus of GPSTR. Okay. So HSTR aspirants, please note this. For mental aptitude test, the reference books they have given are Modern Approach to Verbal and Non-Verbal Reasoning. This is by R.S. Agarwal. Then Nagesh Method, Manasika Samarthya, Swakalika Kaipidi. This is also from K.O. Nagesh. And then they have given NTSC and NMMS study material from DSCRT. Same website you have to go through for this also. Then more books they have given like Analytical Reasoning by M.K. Pandey, then Fast Track Objective Arithmetic by Rajesh Verma. More mental ability books are also there here. One is Samarthya by Dr. Gururaj M. Bulbule and one is by Shri Shaila B. Biradar Bauddhika. This is mental ability book. And then they have given logical reasoning books and one is also related to how to prepare for logical reasoning for CAT by Varun Sharma and mental ability and general intelligence by S. Chand and verbal reasoning by R.S. Agarwal. So this is also a long list of books only. You don't need to get scared by seeing this list. You can go for any one freely available resource which will help you in mental aptitude also. Okay. So these were the general paper 1 reference books and resources. So this is what has been posted in the CSL now. So thought of telling you all because many were asking us which books should we follow. So these are the best books you can follow. See, the list is lengthy for the books. You don't need to follow all books. Whatever book you are friendly with, whatever book you have already went through in your B.Ed or whatever book you have been preparing for teacher recruitment exams, better go for those books only. Touching new books now may make you feel scary. So don't do that. Okay. And if you have your own notes and all that, that also you can prefer. Okay. So I hope that this video helped you with the paper 1 reference books. Thank you. All the best. Bye.